Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Atomics.store method. So what it does, it store a given value at a given position in the array or typed array and return that value. So let's begin. What we need to do is create a buffer and equals to new shared alley and buffer buffer new shared alley buffer and 16, and then what we need to do is var uint 8 equals, and now a shared alley, the shared the uint 8 alley constructor, and now we're gonna pass what the heck, and the pass the buffer inside that. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is uint 8 and pass the 0th of the array equals 5, and then log it on a console. Atomics, use the Atomics, Atomics object dot store. First we need to pass uint 8 comma 0 comma 2, and when we're done with that, it gonna store that and it gonna show that what that does it store. So there's an uncaught error. Shared alley buffer and uint 8. What the heck? I don't think I did any mistake, I guess, but it shows. So what the hell? Oh, it's would be D, shared alley. So yeah, now when I see that, it's gonna say 2. After that, what we're gonna do is, if we do the again log it on a console, atomics dot load and uint 8 comma 0, and it would be 2. So this is what it does, because it loads, the load method used to load, and store is the one we are talking about. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.